Morning, everybody. This is Johnny Blender, and I just wanted to reach out and tell everybody I hope everyone is doing well. It's been a while since I've done anything online. I had to take a year off from doing the show, or a little over a year off from doing the show, just because after 8 years I was just burned out. But I did want to jump on and say we got the Johnny Blender show is coming out. It should be out shortly. Trying to get some stuff finished on it, worked up. We've changed the name of the show from Whiskey, Cars, and Cigars to the Johnny Blender Show. So if you've got the invite or you haven't, check out the link on Facebook so you can go to the new show and get notifications when the new show starts. Wanted to give everybody a little shout out for just everything that's going on. We're changing the mode of the show up. Instead of just doing Whiskey, Cars, and Cigars, we're going to talk about everything. Since I have been off, I don't have any new sponsors. I haven't picked up any sponsors. I haven't solicited any sponsors. And the freedom of that is always with sponsors, you have certain things that you can say and you can't say because you don't want to do anything that hurts the sponsor's business. So if, I say something that the sky is blue and 100,000 people don't like that, and they see that XYZ is a sponsor, in this day and time, they'll start protesting XYZ's company. So not doing that. I am going to be picking up sponsors and adding sponsors to the show as we get it up and running. But right now, the freedom of not having any sponsors is kind of cool because I really don't have to say, I can say anything I want. So we'll see how that goes, and I'll continue to talk about cigars, not as much about alcohol because over the last year I've gotten back into church. So that's kind of a cool thing. I've been away for a long time, but I've gotten back into that. Me and Lynn are enjoying our new relationship with God. So that'd be something else I talk about on the show. So don't get turned off by that because I think we need it now more than ever. But just wanted to touch base, say hello, everybody. Wish everybody a good morning. I am in the middle of I think I got 30 minutes left of my first 36 or 48 hour fast. I'm not sure. I think I've got 9 o'clock this morning will be 36 hours. I'm trying to see, I may stretch it out to either 40 or 48 hours. Let me know what you think. If you're a person who's fasted or has done a lot of fasting, whether it be for religious purposes, health purposes, I'm doing it right now for myself for health reasons. I just want to see if it changes things. I can tell you after 35 hours of nothing but water and black coffee, my legs feel better. My back feels better. A lot of joints and things are feeling a little bit better. I've dropped a couple of pounds over the last week and a half. So that's something I'm trying to get down. I've never been down. I'm trying to get down to like 210, 215 pounds. I haven't been that light since I was in the military. So I'm headed that direction, see what I can do. And I'm not going to overdo myself, but I am going to get to where I'm more comfortable. I saw a picture of myself the other day that I took with our wonderful Tangible Parish Sheriff Gerald Sticker, and I looked like I was huge. And I'm looking at myself in this video, and I still look like I'm huge, and I don't want to be that anymore. So catch the show when we come back on. If you've got any content you want to share, events that you want me to cover, send me a message. Jump back on, get back on. We're not Whiskey, Cars, and Cigars anymore. We're the Johnny Blender Show. It's going to be the same kind of stuff, just a few changes. So I am anxious to hear from you. If you've got any insight on the fasting thing for me, shoot me a message, let me know. I'm trying to decide if I'm going to go past 36 and go ahead and try to go to 40 and then 48. I don't know. We're just going to check it out and see. Because a buddy of mine said that he does 2 36-hour fasts a week. So I need some input. If you got anything, let me know. Thank you. Tune in. Don't forget, watch for the updates for the Johnny Blender Show. If you haven't, go ahead and subscribe and like it on Facebook, YouTube, There's a few other places, but we'll get it all up and going. And don't forget to tune into the Edge Radio US. You can find it streaming online anywhere. Go to theedgeradious.com and click on Stream Live and listen to your great music. It's I can't call it one type of music or another because it's everything. But check it out, and you can play it at work, play it as loud as you want, because I talked to all of your bosses, and he said it was cool. So thanks for tuning in. See you soon. Trying to figure out how to remember how to turn this off. It's been a while.